Our objective is to dialogue with the National Youth Service Corps (NYSC) to develop concrete recommendations that will enhance the welfare and security of corps members on election duty before the next election cycle. This committee is ready to champion any legislative or policy intervention that will guarantee their safety, improve their working conditions, and acknowledge the patriotic service they render to our democracy.
NYSC is not funded for election. Election is not part of the budget of NYSC. If we are relying on INEC to do all these things, we have also looked at it internally that it may not work. We are looking at issue of unbundling participation of NYSC into Office of National Security Advisor to be responsible for their transportation, logistics, and security. We believe, in our own considered opinion as management of NYSC, that may help us, because the complaint has always been from INEC that corps members are doing ad hoc duty and it's part of their national service. Such a high-risk job could not, in all honesty and in good conscience, be regarded as just an ordinary ad hoc duty. Otherwise, continued participation of corps members in this INEC duty may be jeopardized. But since it's our considered resolve to also contribute our quota to making Nigeria great, and we believe that Nigeria will be great.
The only way we can solve the problem is to remove to a large extent this manual business in INEC. If you stay in your house, you don't need to go to a polling unit and you are voting. For instance, you don't need plenty of coppers there. Maybe you only need one copper. But the situation where you send 3 coppers, like what happened in the 2023 election, 4 coppers per polling unit, apart from the RATEC, which are sent per one word. Some of the problems will be sorted out.
Need maybe in showcasing this our mission today that you must look for these laws from INEC, those that affected your coffers during the day of election, not the training time. And number 2, find out how much polling unit do you have in Nigeria. It's more than 780 before you put on your request for proposing what will be paid to coffers during the training and election day. Because when you say 17,000, you multiply by that number of polling units. When you say 200,000, multiply by that number of polling units. You come up with idea. And looking at other areas, like security agencies who are there on that day. And that security agencies are about 4 or 5.
And I would also want to suggest that the issue of corpers coming in to serve as ad hoc staff is as a result of shortage of staff of INEC to cover all the places. I would also want to suggest, in case of off-cycle elections, I think INEC have enough staff that can be able to manage off-cycle election without risking corpers, because they have enough. It has been done during EU when they were off-cycle election. It was purely INEC staff that man all the polling unit. If we can, reapply that.
Of the motion, say aye. Aye. Those against, say nay. So the ayes have it. So the management of INEC is hereby directed to ensure that the insurance company that handled the 2023 insurance for the election, coverage for the 2023 election, should immediately pay the concerned corpers within the next 4 weeks.